Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this video, I am going to be talking about the Western District of Pennsylvania. Now, I have mentioned this district and this state previously, but I do have updated information to share with you. If you are interested, please stay tuned. Please note that I am not an attorney, and this information is not indicated as legal advice. So, as I mentioned to you in a previous video, I am going to be creating a second course. This is going to be a mini course where I show you how you can make a few $100s in a matter of minutes without all of the mail, without all of the contracts being signed. It's a quick step process. So I showed you how I made a few $100s in the Eastern District of Virginia, and in doing my research, I was adding in additional districts. I thought for sure that the Western District of Pennsylvania would be similar in their processing. And boy, was I wrong. I went on their website and I was trying to locate their motion, their templates. So I couldn't find them. So that prompted me to call the clerk's office. I asked her, hey, where are your forms? I really want to learn to do this process in this particular district. And she advised, oh, if the case is closed, you have to do a motion to reopen the case. It comes with a fee. It has an order attached to that motion. And then the second part is you have to do a motion to, motion for unclaimed funds. That comes with a hearing for this particular district. So I said, okay, wow. So you have to actually be an attorney to work this particular district if you want to do it properly. I do not suggest as a third party you draft all these documents with the hearing and everything attached to that and you send it off to the debtor and you say, here, just sign it, and you give them some directions. I don't suggest that you do that. Have an attorney do it. You can still collect money as a third party, but you have to actually have the attorney who's going to be running the show, because this is a very unique process for this particular district. I have not seen a motion to reopen in any districts that I have worked with so far, and especially not the Eastern District of Virginia, because I showed you the case that I worked on where the order is basically pending and there's no hearing or anything attached to that, and no motion to reopen. That case was like from 2005, I think. It was a really old case. So I'm saying all that to say you can still get paid as a finder for this district. Just make sure that you do your research. Call an attorney that is familiar with this particular process, that works bankruptcy cases, that knows how to do these particular motions. Not all attorneys know things about bankruptcy. Okay, make sure they specialize in bankruptcy. Not all attorneys, even if they're bankruptcy attorneys and they work for creditors, they may still not understand this process. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you spell out exactly what you need so that they are familiar with the process. I would imagine that the claim should be substantial enough so that all parties can get paid. I imagine that the attorney is going to want a flat fee, or maybe the same percent that you make, or maybe you can split like 10 and 10%. I'm not sure. That would just have to be discussed with that attorney's office. Keep also in mind that I am going to be providing you with templates in my particular course. I'm going to be including the pleadings similar to the Eastern District of Virginia. I'll show you the scripts that I use. I'll show you the invoice and the email that I provided the debtors with all of the details on what they should do. So I just wanted to let you know that. Keep also in mind, I am providing you with a basic foundation. Similar to the other course that I have created, this course will give you a basic overview, a foundation. It will provide you with the tools. It is up to you to utilize those tools the best of your ability. Sometimes further information is needed. 6 months down the line, a year down the line, this course, this video, information can change. Local rules may change. So what works today and during the summer of 2020 may not work 2 years down the line. Just keep that in mind. Please make sure you do additional research when you need to. Call an attorney's office if you have to. Call the clerk's office if you need to as well. Do your research, please. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, I really appreciate it. And I will keep you posted with the updates to this other mini course. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.